Do a quick walk around the truck before I put the exhaust on it, see how it sounds with it.
God damn it, fucking nigger fucking coffee.
I haven't fucking cleaned it yet. And who I bought it from, obviously. Alright, this is the final video before I do, this is a video for changing my exhaust out from stock exhaust to flowmaster dual exhaust. American Thunder with the truck series 50 heavy duty.
Right, girl. Think I should get off her first. Think she wants some water. You go out the road porch. Isn't me? Have a seat. Let me grip. Turn your wings.
Alright.
Let me take a ride. Cut yourself.
Stupid gate procedure. First step, cutting off. Alright, first thing I'm gonna do is put these stand up. Put these to hold the muffler up. So this will work. And I'm gonna disconnect that and remove that. You can see more back there. I'll show you those in a second when I get that far. Alright. And this is all according to the stupid little procedure over there. Laying on the ground, I'm probably not going to look at too much. I don't know if you can see this real well, but there's yellow and needs to be removed right there. And the thing said to cut, but I don't have to cut apparently. I don't know if this is like all of them or just mine, but I don't have to cut in the back. So that should be a little bit easier to remove that one anyway. Alright. 7 weight. That bolt, 16 millimeter. Is a bitch to get out. Put some penetrating oil on it and a breaker bar. Recommend doing that with the front one too. Alright. And now we're doing that one. It's on the front. Using the breaker bar. Back to the ratchets. And you get that. And after a little wiggling and pulling, part of the first muffler's out. And just because one muffler's off, want to see how it sounds? Well, that's not very impressive with just one muffler at all. Oh well, I did the other one. Oh, get my damn droplet down here. There we go. Where some people will have to cut, where some others won't, I guess. And those two that I need to still get off. Fucking things. Alright, and my footprint. Let's see if I can get those off and finish this damn thing. Well, at least it came off easy enough. Granted, that one came off the wrong side, but we'll worry about that in a minute. Now I get the front one off. Now, getting that one off, and maybe even all the way off. Let's see how this works. A little bit of twisting, pushing, feet pushing. Let's see how this works. And now you fast forward again. And a lot of wiggling. Is separated. And there's the resonator. And this auto still trying to get it out. And the comparison view. All that being replaced with that. And just that muffler.